Hi everyone. Today I'll do one more problem from the topic profit and loss. This question I have taken from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This question they asked during the year of 2009 in specialist officers examination. See, in my previous videos I have explained if selling price is more compared to cost price, then he will get profit. If selling price is less compared to cost price, then you will get loss cycle. Okay. In this problem, Mohanlal purchased a TV set for rupees 12,500. He spent rupees 300 on transportation and 800 on installation. That is, he's purchasing the TV for rupees 12,500. For that TV, he's spending more money for bringing the TV to the house. Okay, for transportation. For car or auto like that, he is spending rupees 300. For installation, he is spending rupees 800. For giving connection and all, he is spending rupees 800 extra. But at the same time, what he would like to do, no, he would like to sell the TV so as to earn and profit. He wants to sell the TV, but he wants to get profit in that. Profit percentage is he would like to earn a profit percentage of 50. Okay, we have to find out at what price, what is the selling price. We have to find out. Oh, CP of the TV set is 12,500, but he is spending more money, no? So we have to add the transportation money and installation money with the cost price. The total CP only we have to consider and do the calculation. Then only we will get the correct selling price because he is spending his money extra for TV. Okay, so total CP is equal to rupees 12,500 plus rupees 300 plus rupees 800. What is total CP? That is rupees 13,600. He wants to sell the TV, no? For profit percentage 15. So profit percentage is equal to 15 percentage. We have the formula. I have explained in my previous video also. SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP. What is profit percentage? 15 percentage. What is CP? 13,600 we got. So 115 by 100 into 13,600. So SP is equal to 115 into 136. Okay. 115, okay, into 136. Okay. 5 6 are 33, 5 15s are 65, 68, 136. 4, 6, 1 carry. So SP is rupees 15,640. Correct option. Thank you.